You guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve mathematics equation. So first let's see the meaning of equation. An algebraic expression contains the sign of equality form an equation. Example. So the equation contains first the variable means the letter like A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and then the plus signs like plus, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and then the number, then equal to. These four things make a equation. So if these four things are not there, it is not an equation. So now I will going to show you how to solve algebraic equation. So let's take down the question. X plus 5 equals 10. If this question comes, you have to just see what is the meaning of x, not other numbers. So, what is meaning of x? Let's see. So, let's close the book. So, x equals, if there is a plus, how to do the opposite of plus, that is minus. So, 5 minus 10, not like that, 10 minus 5, from here to here, this minus this, answer minus this. So 10 minus 5, what is 10 minus 5? Equals 5. So x equals 5. So let's see it is correct answer or not. So you can see 5 is the answer and I got the 5. So it is correct. So first solve the problem. Now let's go to the little more difficult problem, that is 2y equals 20 minus 14. So 2y equals 20 minus 14. So first let's find the value of 2y. What's the value of 2y? Let's find that. Because first we have to find the value of 2y and divide the variable by the number 2. So first 2y equals 20 minus 14. So what is 20 minus 14? That is 6. So then you get this. What is value of y then? If the value of 2y is 6, then what is the value of y? So that is the question. So here is 2. So the variable present side of the equation, in the equation you have to divide by that. So y equals 2 by 6. What is 2 by 6? That is 3. So you see the answer, it is 3. So I got 3. So you understood how to solve when there is a variable in the question. Now next one, this is the same type of question. So if I want, I'll explain you again. Same. So 2x equals minus 11 minus 9. So what is minus 11 minus 9? So 2x equals minus 11 minus 9. So what is value of minus 11 minus 9? So 2x equals minus 20, because minus minus plus, and but the symbol is minus only. Minus minus plus, but the symbol is minus, and we got 20 first. First it is 20. 2x equals 20. So what is the value of x we will find? The value of x will be, so it will be always be, you have to always divide x value. If you want to find, you have to divide by 2. So the number 20 should be divided by 2, then you get the answer. Wow, what is x? So I will do 20 by 2. So it is 10. So don't forget to add the minus symbol. So you have to add the minus symbol, and you see I found minus 10 and it is correct. And this is 20 by 2, so it is not 102. So this is the answer, minus 10. So next is fourth one, 4L equals 32. So this comes little easy one. So what it means, you have to understand properly, then it will be easy. So you have to find first the value of 4L, that is all. Here 32 is the value of 4L. So what is the value of L? L equals 32 by 4. So you see this 4, this variable should be divided by the answer of the, like this you see, minus 20, and here is a variable. This variable should be divided by minus 20. So here 32 is the answer and 4 is the variable. So 32 should be divided by 4. Next is L equals how much? So 4, how much are 32? 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 32. So the answer will be 8. So you see the answer is 8, and that is 32 by 4. Ignore it. So fifth one question is Q2 equals 8. So find the value of Q. So Q, see here Q is divided. So what is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So we have to multiply this answer and the variable. Then we will find the value of Q. So when we have to multiply the answer 8 into 2 to find the value of Q. So 8 into 2. So 8 into 2 is 16. So the answer will be 16, because if there is a division symbol, you have to do multiplication. If there is subtraction symbol, you should do addition. If there is addition symbol, you have to do subtraction. If there is multiplication symbol, you have to do division. So I got 16. So sixth one is 4x equals 5 minus 2. So what is x over here? So x is 4x. First we will find the value of 4x. So 4x equals 5 minus 3, that is 3. 5 minus 2, that is 3. So what is the value of x? So you found here we have to do division, because if you find both numbers, see 4 and x, here should be a point, but if you find any number together with a variable, so this thing is 4 into x. Really, this is 4 into x, 4 into L, 2 into x. So you have to divide by 4. 4 divided by, sorry. The question I wrote is wrong. It's 3 and it should be 2 by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 2. So the x is 1 by 2. So now I am going to re-explain you. You have to, if there is no variable, it is very easy. You have to just if there is addition symbol you have to subtract. So 10 minus 5, it is 5. So next is 2 by 2y equals 20 minus 14. So first we have to find the value of 2y. 2y equals 16. So now first you have to find the value of y. So y equals 2 by 16. So that is 3. So next one is q by 2 equals 8. So q equals, if there is division, we have to do multiplication. So q is 8 into 2, that is 16, and here here 2x equals minus 11 minus 9. So minus 11 minus 9 equals minus 20. So 2x equals 2x equals minus 20, and x equals the half of minus 20, that is 10, minus 10. So don't forget this symbol minus 10, or else the mark will be deducted. So fourth one, L equals 32. So L equals 4L equals 32. So L equals 32 by 4, that is 8. Next one, sixth one, 4x equals 5 minus 3. So 4x equals 5 minus 3. You have to first subtract, then divide. So 2 by 4, because 4 is here, 2 by 4, and it will come 1 by 2. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.